succession of sole proprietorship into a company. Look into the matter. There is a proprietary concern, Neeraj Art Textiles. The business of Neeraj Art Textiles was succeeded by a newly formed company, New Look Textiles Private Limited. The assets and liabilities on that date had become the assets and liabilities of the company, and Neeraj was given 52% share in that share capital of that particular company. No other consideration was given to Neeraj on account of this succession. So, transfer had happened, but it is not to be taken as transfer as per section 47. Then, the assets and liabilities of Neeraj Art Textiles transferred to the company included an urban land which was acquired by Neeraj by 19/7/2009 for rupees 9,80,000. Urban land is a capital asset. Only rural agri land is not coming under the definition of section 2 subsection 14. Under capital asset, this item is a capital asset. So this was bought by the previous owner by 19/7/2009. The holding period of the previous owner will continue to be taken to decide as whether it is a long-term capital asset or otherwise. The company had effected a sale on 30/3/2014 for 15 lakhs. Now, from this date till this date, what is the age gap? How many months had happened? How many years? 3 years plus? No, is it 3 years plus? If you are sure that it is 3 years plus, then it is long-term capital gain. Correct. Now, indexation benefit will be derived by the new owner. But what is the index that we are going to take up? Index attributable to the previous owner or index on the date on which the new owner acquired ownership. Only in the case of gift, and that too in the case of case in Maharashtra, you are expected to take up. She had written it as Bombay. Is it Bombay or is it Maharashtra? No, it was decided in the Bombay court, but jurisdiction goes for entire Maharashtra. So, because we don't have Bombay as a union territory, so therefore it is all applicable for the entire state of Maharashtra. It's okay. So therefore it is capital asset 9,80,000 to be multiplied by what is the year in which a transfer took place? 33/14. What is the index for 939? 939 divided by what is the index that we are going to take up? Huh? No, we are not supposed to take up 9/7. We should take up 939 only. So both for numerator and denominator, it will be the same 939 only, because the date on which this new setup assumed this asset is 21/7/2013. That is falling in the financial year 13/14. And the company effected a sale also in the financial year 13/14. So numerator and denominator index remaining at the same 939. The difference between 15 lakhs and 9,80,000 will be taken up as long-term capital gain in the hands of company. So what is the answer that we will be providing? Transfer effected by Neeraj Art Textiles to New Look Textile Private Limited is not a transfer as per section 47. when the new owner transfers to a buyer, the cost of the previous owner when the new owner transfers to a buyer, the cost of the previous owner would be taken as cost of the new owner, that is rupees 9,80,000 is the cost to be taken in the hands of company. Indexed cost of acquisition